Okay, here's a quick video for 914. Trying to build this shape when they just give you a front, a top, and a right view. We're going to try to build it on this e-tool. I'm hoping this video will help somewhat. This isn't like something crucial that we need to know. It's not something that you'll be like tested on to see if you could build one of these. But I understand that like some people can visualize this better than others. I'm definitely somebody that I think I'm okay with it, but definitely not great. And I'm going to just kind of do my strategy here again to see if it helps. And so what I do is I start by trying to do this front view. And the front view goes 2, 3, 2. And so I go 2, 3, and then 2 for my front view so that it looks like what it looks like here. And then I go to my right view and I try to build what it looks like on the right. Well, on the right it goes 2, 3, 1, so this has to be 2, I need 3, and then I need 1, and so that if I look at it from the right, I get what I want. And see, like I kind of work piece by piece. I think what I did there, maybe I'd screwed up whatever the front looks like, but we're going to keep circling around here, keep cycling around until hopefully we get what we want. And I honestly don't know a better strategy than that off the top of my head. But we're gonna we'll see as we keep going here. So I had my front view, then I moved to my right. Now I have my right. Now I'm gonna see what I have to do for top. For my top view, I'm not very close. So what I need to do is I need to add one here, add one here. I need to get rid of these ones. And these ones here. And so that I can put one right here and right here, and so I get what my top view looks like now. My top view is right, and again I'm screwing up my front and my right, but we'll just keep cycling around until hopefully we get it. So we'll go back to the front. Well, my front is wrong, so maybe we'll try to instead of adding them to this front row here, maybe we'll add them to this back one, and I'll go 1, 2, or 2, 3, 2. So my front is right, 2, 3, 2. We'll go to the right, and the right is right now. It's got 2, 3, 1. And then my top view hopefully stayed the same, and it did. So again, it's maybe not the best strategy to go about it, but I just work in this cycle of front, right, top, and I kind of cycle it until I can get what I want. But also, a kind of a big part what I did there, when I got to the top and I made what I did on top, I went back to the front, and I had to visualize like, well, I can't put something in these front rows, and I can't put something in these back two either, because if I put something in the front and I put something in the back, that would screw up my top view. I would have squares here. And so it's kind of all about like seeing what you want, knowing what you want, and knowing where you can and cannot have blocks, and kind of visualizing what is that going to look like from the front, and what is that going to look like from the right, and what is that going to look like from the top. I hope this video helps. Again, this isn't something that needs to be totally understood. It's not something that will be totally like assessed on, but it's more, to me, fun. So again, I hope it helped.